This is a short video from Bremner Advisory to showcase step-by-step how to raise a sales invoice in Xero Accounting Software. Once you've logged into your Xero account, you will land on your business's dashboard. Some of your dashboards and tabs will look a little different to mine, depending on the level of access set up for your account. So to start, we're going to click on Accounts and then click on Sales. We're going to then click on New and Invoice. And we're going to fill in all the appropriate information. So to refers to the client or customer to which you'll be sending the invoice. We're going to type in Adam, who's already a customer of the demo company. The date, then the due dates will be when the invoice needs to be paid by. You can manually insert this or set a rule in your invoice settings. The invoice number, you're going to let Xero automatically generate this for you. The reference is optional. And then the branding refers to the appearance of the invoice as set out in your invoice settings. The currency, if you're working with imports or exports, this facility will be made available on your invoice with the latest currency rates updated on an hourly basis. Select then tax inclusive or tax exclusive. If you're selling particular products, then selecting an item code is recommended. However, if you're a contractor or service provider, this is generally unnecessary. So we're going to fill in the description of the service you'll be providing, the quantity, and the unit price. Now, if your client gets a supplier discount, just indicate the percentage and Xero will calculate the discount for you. Then based on your chart of accounts, select the sales account. This is for accounting purposes only and won't appear on your customer's invoice. The tax rate should be automatically set, but in South Africa, we'll look at a 15% VAT sales. Region is if you've activated the tracking component of Xero. This enables filtering of Xero invoices according to regions or branches. Then the amount would be automatically calculated as well as then the total and the tax. So if we preview the invoice, then this is what the online invoice will look like as viewed by the client. If you don't like this appearance, then you need to go back to invoice settings and relook at the branding. If you want more company information to be visible, like the VAT number, then you'll need to go to organization settings and select that which we want to be visible on the invoice. Now, if you want to save this for further editing, click Save as Draft. And if you need further approval, click Save and Submit for approval. If you want to send it immediately to the client, then simply click Approve. We then need to send the invoice to the client, so we click Email. Because Adam is an old client, we've already got his email address there, so we don't need to manually insert his email address. You'll see that Xero provides a default email content with key placeholders. If you don't like the setting, you can change it under email settings. Once you've filled in everything, you can click Send. Once you've sent the invoice, it will be lying in the Awaiting Payment tab of your sales. Once the client has paid the invoice will then move to the Paid tab up there. Should your client fail to pay before the due date, the invoice will then indicate late payment in red, like these below. And that is how you raise a sales invoice in Xero.